Model, 2010 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCi 85ps medium roof needs discs and pads. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 148013. Engine, 2198 cc TDCi 85 phosphorus monosulfide DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Front brake discs will need replacing as they are warped and causing a judder under braking grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,295. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0.7